Hey tribe, welcome back again. It's your favorite girl Ada here, and today we are going to be doing another cleaning motivation. So, you guys, I can explain. This house, we had a party. My last baby's third birthday party. So the kids were in here, the adults were in here, and it was a lot. And of course, this is what the house would look like because the balloons, the listen, everywhere was a mess. I mean, it's a mess. So we're trying to clean it up and just get this thing going. So I just started first. We kind of like, when you want to party or when you want to invite people or have people over, you kind of like rearrange some things. So this couch there, you guys know, is in the second living room, but I had to move it down here and then push this one to the side and all. And tell me why after all this I decided that I actually now want to change the way things look. And just keep watching, you're going to see how I finally left it and how I reorganized it. I just decided, I think I have something else I want to do. Look at the baby girl, my little birthday girl. She was so sweet. She had a blast. My baby had fun. Like, it was so fun just having family and friends over. It was just so fun with all the kids. They get to see their cousins, their friends. It was just so nice. Yeah, we had a time. Okay, that's all I can say. And I was so knocked out. The fact that the next day was school and I had to take the big kids to school, oh god, that killed me the most. Because what? And oh my goodness, yeah. Thank God I survived. So it's time to clean up. My house can't be messy forever. Party is over, so back to business. So I just started. Listen, I got this broom and I started sweeping everything out. Like, everything. I was like, I will sort it out when it's out of the way, but I just need to get it out of the way. But yeah, I did a lot of cleaning. You guys are going to see. Yeah, this is a very good one. And when I was filming, I was like, oh yeah, this is a good one. And now, who left that chicken bone on my coffee table book? Listen, these children, when you have kids over, forget everything about your decor, your aesthetics, your whatever. Like, they don't care. Those children, they do not care. Okay, they will mess it all up. And of course, we are having fun. So listen, I'm not even complaining. I just dealt with it like that. Like, left the couch, because I feel like with this couch being in the kids out in the other living room, it just was not serving its purpose. I don't know, because they barely stay on it and they were just messing it up. Like, and I really loved this couch, so I decided to do it this way. And of course, it's more, it's bigger, it's so comfortable. It's I'm like, yeah, we can have movie night and we can all coil up on this couch and just, have our movie night and all. So I just decided to move it, and honestly, it's still that way, and I don't think I'm changing it anytime soon, because I absolutely love it. I love it. So it's serving its purpose. Like what I envisioned in my head when I was doing it, it is serving its purpose. Like it's giving what it's supposed to give. So yeah, I think that was a very good move for me. And you guys, if I tell you I did this decor by myself, you won't even believe it. Both the balloon garland, oh, you guys didn't get to see that, but the balloon thing, the whole decor, I did it by myself. It was so cool. When I was done, I was so excited. I was just so happy with myself. Like, I did that, set up the buffet table place and all of that. Listen, we had a time. The food, everything was so good. Like, everything was so good. I loved it. So it's time to get everything back in place, set up and all of that. Whew, we did a lot. Thank you guys for watching. If you've gotten up to this place, then yeah, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and yeah, this cleaning motivation, and I hope this actually motivates you to get up and clean your own house. All that mess you've been leaving behind, just get up and get it done. And I will definitely be seeing you all in my next video. And by the way, the next time, please don't listen, this balloon that has the little thing inside, I am never, the little confetti thing, I'm never buying that again, because the mess this thing created for me, it was, oh my god, I was losing my mind. Sweeping this thing is so difficult. Like, I don't even think I'm going to buy it again, honestly. But anyways, I'll see you guys in my next one. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment on this particular video, and share it if you can, so other people can get to this video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.